South Central. I don't know if it's gonna start raining or not, but gotta hurry up and get to this customer house. Let's see if I can beat the rain. My boy JD, man. I hear some leaking up here. It's not tight. It's not tight up here. Huh? I can hear it. It's leaking a little bit in the front. In the front?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, man. This thing here, it's leaking again. This sucks. Leaking everywhere. Y'all see that? That's why I don't use these lines, John. So we fix the bottom one, which is this one, and then fix that one. So we gotta get the top one done. You see it? Use rubber hoses, y'all. Use rubber hoses. The bottom one has 8 fittings on it. But whatever. And it's leaking right here for the transcooler. Got it?
Hey, but you just showed it to me.
I know, it was right here on the thing. Y'all remember my boy JD with the... This is 88, bro?
Yeah.
With the 88 LS swap, man. We just swapped the transmission. It was leaking here, it was leaking near, and this and that. So now we got it to where it's only leaking from the top fitting, but you always ask for the part number, so I actually have one. This is the part number that you need. You need 2 of these that goes inside the transmission in a 90-degree fitting. So he's actually gonna try to take it for his first test drive. So that's what it looked like underneath the hood. He's actually gonna bring it. He's gonna bring it to the shop. Bro, look, it's right here. We was looking for the damn dipstick. Go reverse. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. What's up with a burnout, cuz? That damn thing sounds too good. Elevens. Out there laying 11s. He out there laying them 11s. That tensioner sounds terrible. Yeah, there she go. Yeah, that sounds good. You gotta get rid of that tensioner and that power steering, and after that, man, it's on duty. Yeah,